Hi guys, I am here with very short question of English literature. Dear friends, these questions are very useful and important for any competitive exam like PSC, PGT, TGT और जो भी आप इंग्लिश लिटरेचर से रिलेटेड एग्जाम है सभी में इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। तो इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस के लिए प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए। शुरू करते हैं हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द फ्रेज डिसोसिएशन ऑफ सेंसिबिलिटी वाज यूज्ड बाय टीएस इलियट इन। तो जो फ्रेज है डिसोसिएशन ऑफ सेंसिबिलिटी वो टीएस इलियट के द्वारा किस में यूज की गई थी? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज इन हैमलेट एंड हिज प्रॉब्लम। हैमलेट हैमलेट एंड his problems. Hamlet and his problems. Yes. So Hamlet and his problems. The phrase dissociation of sensibility was used by Tilius it in Hamlet and problems. Hamlet and his problems. एंड द सेकंड क्वेश्चन लिखा हुआ है डैश एंड डैश। यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए? एंड डैश तो ये हो जाएगा जेम्स जोइस। जेम्स जोइस एंड वर्जीनिया वुल्फ। वर्जीनिया वुल्फ James Joyce and Virginia Woolf are most famous for Stream of Consciousness novel. यहाँ पे दो ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं। जेम्स जॉयस एंड वर्जीनिया वुल्फ आर मोस्ट फेमस फॉर स्ट्रीम ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डैश इन पोएट्री एंड डैश इन प्लॉट्स इन नॉवेल बिकम पॉपुलर इन द मॉडर्न एज। तो मॉडर्न एज में so what will be the correct answer in the blanks? So there should be free verse, free verse, free verse and non-linear, non-linear. Yes, free verse in poetry and non-linear plots in novel become popular in the modern age. And next question is who was the pioneer of Imagist movement? Who was the pioneer in Imagist movement? So the correct answer of this one is who is the pioneer in the Imagist movement? So the correct answer is Ezra Pound. Ezra Pound. Ezra Pound. Who was the pioneer of Imagist movement? Ezra Pound is the pioneer of Imagist movement. And Mr. Ramsay, Mrs. Ramsay, Lily Briscoe are characters in Virginia Woolf. Virginia Woolf के किस वर्क में मिस्टर रामसे, मिसेज रामसे, लिली ब्रिस्को जो है वो करेक्टर मिलते हैं? द करेक्ट आंसर इज टू द लाउड टू द lighthouse, to the lighthouse. So in to the lighthouse there are character Mr. Ramsay, Mrs. Ramsay and Lily Briscoe. So dear friends, these are 5 questions. These 5 questions are very important. First question is the phrase dissociation of sensibility was used by T.S. Eliot in Hamlet and his problem. Then, then James Joyce and Virginia Woolf. James Joyce and Virginia Woolf are most famous for stream of consciousness novel. Free verse in poetry and non-linear plots in novel become popular in the modern age. And who was the pioneer of Imagist movement? Ezra Pound was the pioneer of Imagist movement. Mr. Ramsay, Mrs. Ramsay, Lily Brosco are characters in Virginia Woolf to the lighthouse. Now, next 5 questions are Next question is question number 6. T.S. Eliot used the term objective correlative in. T.S. Eliot used the term objective correlative in. So what will be the correct answer? The correct answer of this one is Hamlet and his problem. Hamlet and his problem. Hamlet and his problem. In Hamlet and his problem, T.S. Eliot used the term objective correlative. Next question is, the Moral Family is a part of D.H. Lawrence semi-autobiographical novel. Semi-autobiographical novel. So the correct answer is the Moral Family is a part of D.H. Lawrence semi-autobiographical novel. So which novel? Sons and Lovers. Sons and Lovers. The Moral Family is a part of D.H. Lawrence semi-autobiographical novel. semi-autobiographical novel सन्स एंड लवर, जो कि 1913 में आया था. 1913 में. फॉर विच लॉन्ग पोयम ऑर्डन वन द पुलिट्जर प्राइज. किस लॉन्ग पोयम के लिए पुलिट्जर को जो था पुलिट्जर प्राइज मिला था, किसको? सो व्हाट विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर? द करेक्ट आंसर सो द एज ऑफ एंजाइटी. द एज of anxiety. For which long poem Auden won the Pulitzer Prize? The Age of Anxiety. And next question है, who got Nobel Prize in Literature in 1923? 1923 में किसको जो था लिटरेचर में नोबेल प्राइज मिला था? So the correct answer of this one is W.B. Yeats. W.B. Yeats. W.B. Yeats got Nobel Prize in Literature in 1923. And who is considered the father of surrealism in literature? Who is called the father of surrealism in literature? So the correct answer is Henry Breton. Henry Breton. Henry Breton. Henry Breton is considered the father of surrealism in literature. Dear friends, so these are 10 questions. T.S. Eliot used the term objective correlative in Hamlet and his problem. The Moral Family is part of D.H. Lawrence semi-autobiographical novel Sons and Lovers, जो कि 1913 में आया था. For which long poem Auden won the Pulitzer Prize? The Age of Anxiety. Who got Nobel Prize in Literature 1923? W.B. Yeats. And who is considered the father of surrealism in literature? Henry Breton. So dear friends, these are top 10 questions mostly asked in competitive exam. इसी प्रकार के questions के लिए please like, share and subscribe Pankaj Institute of English. Thank you for watching this video.